Hi everyone! Do you know how to talk about your free time in English? In this video, I'll show you 6 short conversations about leisure activities. Listen carefully and tell me in the comments, what's your favorite activity? In this lesson, you will hear 6 conversations about different leisure activities. Here are the topics we will cover today: sports and exercise, indoor hobbies, creative activities, outdoor fun, music and dance, and weekend activities. Before listening to the conversations, let's first learn some useful vocabulary. Go swimming. Go running. Play football. Read books. Watch movies. Play video games. Draw, paint. Play the guitar. Sing. Go camping. Go hiking. Ride a bicycle. Listen to music. Dance. Sing. Go shopping. Do gardening. Cook or bake cakes. Now you know the key words. Let's listen to the first conversation: sports and exercise. Part 1: Sports and exercise.
Hey, David, what do you usually do after school?
I usually play football with my friends. It's so much fun.
Really? I prefer swimming. I go to the swimming pool every Saturday.
That sounds healthy. Do you ever go running?
Sometimes, running in the park in the morning feels amazing.
Cool. Maybe we can go running together next time.
Great! Now let's move on to some fun activities you can do at home. Indoor hobbies.
Hi, Lisa. What do you like doing at home in your free time?
Well, I really enjoy reading books, especially novels.
Nice. I like watching movies with my family.
Oh, me too. I usually watch comedies. They make me laugh.
I prefer action movies. By the way, do you like playing video games?
Yes, sometimes. My brother and I play together on weekends.
Nice work! Next, let's talk about creative activities, hobbies that help you express yourself.
Do you have any hobbies, Emma?
Yes, I love drawing and painting. It helps me relax.
That's nice. I enjoy playing the guitar. Music makes me happy.
Wow, can you also sing?
A little bit, but I'm shy.
Don't be shy. Maybe you can play the guitar while I draw.
That sounds like a great idea. Let's try it this weekend.
Awesome! Now it's time to go outside. Let's see some outdoor fun activities.
Hi, John. What did you do last weekend?
I went camping with my family in the mountains.
That's cool. I went hiking with some friends. The view was amazing.
Oh, I love hiking too. Did you take any pictures?
Yes, I did. I also tried riding a bicycle around the lake.
That sounds wonderful. Let's go together next time.
Excellent! Music makes life more colorful. Let's listen to a conversation about music and dance.
Do you like music, Alex?
Of course. I love listening to music every day.
Same here. I usually listen to pop songs.
I prefer rock music, and sometimes I even try singing along.
That's awesome! I enjoy dancing. Whenever I hear music, I just want to move.
Maybe I can play guitar and you can dance.
Perfect! We should do that one day.
Finally, let's talk about weekend activities, the things we love to do when we have free time.
So, what do you usually do on weekends, David?
On Saturdays, I often go shopping with my mom.
Oh, nice. I sometimes help my dad with gardening.
That's interesting. On Sundays, I like cooking something new.
Really? I also enjoy baking cakes. It's so fun.
Wow, we should cook together someday.
Sure. Then after that, we can just relax and watch a movie.
Great plan.
Great job! Now you know 6 conversations about leisure activities. Which activity do you like the most? Write your answer in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you next time.